This is the coolest AI generated movie trailer I've ever seen. Turn your phone, turn up the volume, and experience the entire trailer.
Wildcat 1-2, moderate to heavy precipitation, 12 o'clock.
The trailer you just watched was made by me in about 3 hours at a total cost of only $2. It was made using two AI tools. The first one is Midjourney and the second is Runway ML. Midjourney for the images, Runway ML for the videos. I think this is pretty bananas that I was able to create this that fast and for that low of a budget. Hollywood, AI is coming for you whether you like it or not. I think in about a year we're gonna be seeing some amazing quality short films made by AI and about 2 years away from a feature film. How does that make you feel, Ben Affleck? Don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.